Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty guy. So today what we will do is we will start from the weekly time frame, the analysis coming to daily, and then we'll shift the focus to the uh, intraday plan of action for Monday. But let us first start with the analysis of what happened today versus what we had planned yesterday, and how did we handle the volatility in the market. So today the market opened slightly gap down and was mostly range bound in this particular area. Now, the reason for that is that the market gave us good trending moves in the last 2 days. And usually, what happens is there's a cycle which market repeats or works in, which is usually after a couple of days of sideways action, you can expect trending moves, and same is the opposite. A couple of days of trending moves, and then you can expect a couple of days of sideways action. So this is what happened. So last 2 days we got good trending moves, and today it was a sideways day. I did not take any trades today. This was a good week for me. Captured a lot of points in both call and put options. So today our plan was to long the market above this high with a pullback. Market broke out. Let me just shift to the 5 minutes time frame. Market broke out, gave this pullback, also gave a breakout of this particular high. Did it manage to close above that high? No. Did I take this trade? No. Another important lesson to learn over here is why I did not take this particular trade was although market did make a new high over here, my sacred indicator, which is the RSI, did not make a new high. It made a new low, both on 5 and 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes time frame, again, this is this line is from the 5 minutes time frame. So this is the divergence on both. There was a clear divergence on both 5 and 15 minutes time frame, which showed lack of strength in the upward move. And that is the reason the chances of this particular breakout failing were much higher than this particular breakout succeeding. So this was the reason I did not take this particular trade, although it was as per our plan and as per our setup. Now, later in the day, what I observed was that there was this trend line coming from the bottom, this trend line coming in from top, and around 215 something, market did give a breakout of this, wherein I was also uh, in a good mood, and I thought, why to screw it up if in case if because the entire day was a sideways action, I was expecting it to behave in the same way. So in case you see the breakout did happen, but eventually it came back to the same level. So it was a wise decision to not trade this particular breakout. Also, in case if you were a scalper, you would have made some money over here. I usually trade triangle breakouts very seriously. We traded that yesterday as well, but it was later in the day, and I did not want to take that risk. I had a very good week. I did not want to screw it up. So that is something because of which I did not take this trade. Now, let us just come to the plan of action for Monday. We'll delete all these particular drawings and focus on the levels for the next week. So on a weekly time frame, if we check Nifty, so Nifty has given some retracement, but if we check the level of retracement, it's still at 0.382 levels only. So this is definitely not a reversal. The bottom is formed or not formed. Nobody can say, nor should we predict about it. So let us wait the price action in case in the coming week Nifty forms another good bullish candle, then gives a dip and then crosses that high. We can consider that as a short-term bottom. Longer term trend right now is again bearish, so should not get too excited with this particular week's candle. On a daily time frame, uh, market is back at the 3 days of side. I'll just shift to the 15 minutes time frame so it will be easier for you guys to understand. So yeah, I'll zoom out a bit. So this was the 3 days of sideways action in which the market was stuck, broke down, gave a move, formed a base, gave an up move. Now market is back at this particular level. Now what would be interesting to see in the coming week is does this level get taken out? So what we can do is we can draw a line around roughly 2 days high, and then we also see a trend line which was around this level. So we'll keep the plan of action for Monday very, very simple. We will sort the market below this low with a pullback, and we'll create a long position above this high again with a pullback. So yeah, we'll keep the plan very, very simple. I hope you guys will handle. And today, again, another thing to notice was the VIX had crashed, which also meant that the spot would move very well, but the corresponding option prices would not move that well. So even if the spot gave a move of around 50 points, wherein if you're trading in the money, you should have ideally gotten 25 points, but the move range between 10 to 12 points at max. So would the probability of taking SL was also would have been higher. So today was a day best avoided. Uh, so that's it from me for Monday. I will see you guys again on Monday for after a live analysis of the market. And what I am also planning is to create another series. So this series is on the daily Nifty analysis. What I'm also planning is to create another series, which would be educational based on my setups and based on what psyche do I have while I take those trades, while I'm holding those trades, while those trades are going against me, how do I define my SLs? What are the different criterias that I use? I'll make short videos on all of them, and in case if I get time this weekend, I'll try to make one video at least over the weekend on the educational or the psychology series, and I'll try to upload it for you guys. So if you like my content, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share it with your trading friends, trading communities that you might be a part of, as well as comment down anything that you might have to say or give me a feedback about the videos. That would be great. So I'll see you guys again soon. Cheers. Have a great weekend.